How to fix Call of Duty Mobile automatically closing problem on Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through fixing the issue of Call of Duty Mobile automatically closing on Android devices. It's a quick and straightforward process, so let's get started. First, ensure that your Call of Duty game is up to date to the latest version. To do this, open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Call of Duty, and if you see an update button instead of play, click on it to update your game. Next, go to your device settings, scroll down and select Apps and search for Call of Duty and tap on it. Then scroll down to Storage and click on Clear Cache and Clear Data. After doing this, check if the problem persists. If you are still experiencing issues, you may need to uninstall the app. To do this, press and hold the Call of Duty app icon, then select Uninstall. After that, go back to Play Store and reinstall the game. And that's how you can resolve this issue. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.